I just arrived in my room in Pattaya. It's simple, um, but the reason I'm looking for a hotel, right? I cannot stay in guest houses and so forth. Um, the reason why I took this hotel, first of all, is the location. It's very nice because it's actually literally in Soi Buakhao. Secondly, they have a great swimming pool, and lastly, the main reason actually why I booked this hotel is of the fitness. You know, they have a really great big fitness center, and you know, I have to clear my mind and shit. So I will be here for a week, and then I'll be planning on returning to the Netherlands. Yeah, I was thinking about maybe going to Bali, but you know, there's some couple of things that I need to do. So that's why I have to return to the Netherlands. And I'm gonna make videos of Amsterdam and trying to make the most spectacle videos for you guys. And we'll see how it goes. So this is the gym of the hotel itself. Now you can understand why I booked the hotel, because it's really nice. I still like Soi Buakhao because I know the place very well. I wanted to eat something, and immediately you are embraced by welcoming hearts and good music, live music. It's an amazing vibe. How are you?
Well, how are you?
Good. You want to go?
Yeah.
Maybe later, yeah, but I want to eat something. Later. Yeah, it's fun. It's still the best place of Pattaya. The nightlife is just super amazing, and stay tuned because
Hello.
how are you? Good. Remember me?
I remember you.
Really? Going to eat something.
Huh?
Going to eat something.
Okay, go eat something.
Can you play pool later?
Yeah, okay, I wait. Huh?
All right. I like to play pool now and then. Hey, hello. Only 50 bucks. Great. Great. Um, yeah, as a man solo traveling, you have to entertain yourself. And there are many girls that want to play pool with you, so it's a fun activity. Not bad. And you can also eat street foods. for a relatively good price. From maybe 10 baht, 20 baht for some satay.
Why you walk alone?
Because I like to be alone. Yeah. Now maybe they. I needed to go to place on the corner, the good food. I finally found some food for myself. I will take that one. Very nice. Enjoying the view and enjoying the good life. Alright, it's really nice. And this, I don't know what it is, some sort of soup, but you have to pour it over the rice to make it more flavorful. It's kind of nice. Very nice street. My hotel is literally around the corner. And the last time I was in the street, I had booked a room at the bar here. It's very nice, but you have to get used to the live music because it's very loud at night. But if you're into the nightlife stuff, it's definitely worth it. And the hotel that I booked today, it's kind of simple, but they have a really big fitness center. Welcome in Pattaya. I'm in T Plus Hotel, and it's actually next to 7-Eleven, and 7-Eleven is 24-hour open. So if you want to get something for your coffee, for example, it's very convenient, or hang out at the bar. And you know, they have live music over here, great clubs also, so it's only 1 minute walk. Alright, I got myself some groceries back to the hotel. I think I will go for a relaxing night, watching a movie. I know the nightlife is great, but I haven't slept that much lately, so I just go for a nice evening with myself, and it's very important. guys, I have some vitamin Z, some coconut shit. It's actually very good, pure coconut, really sweet, but not sweet from the chemicals or the fake sugar stuff, right? I don't like cow milk, so we have pistache milk. Pistache milk is really nice. Of course, coffee without sugar. It's very important, especially a coffee addict like me. Natural, energy drink, pure ginseng mixed with honey. Very nice, by the way. Good for exercising. Pistache milk and vitamin Z. Alright, I'm grabbed myself a video and hope you enjoyed it. And until next time.